Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm going to share one simple thing from my side, not the most important thing, but one simple thing can also turn into one of the most important advice or a suggestion from my side or anyone. See, in most of my videos, I have talked about like I was searching a job, looking for a job, building new skills, trying to develop my personality, giving myself a time. And honestly, in those time I was in a zone, I was in a thought process कि कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा जैसा मैं चाहती हूँ, वो चीज़ें नहीं हो रही है, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग चीज़ें नहीं हो रही है, सेल्फ डाउट कि मैं नहीं कर सकती चीज़ें या मुझसे नहीं हो रही है, सारी चीज़ें मेरी टाइमिंग नहीं है, सबको तो सारी चीज़ें मिल रही है, कंपैरिजन जोन भी है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, यू विल फील लाइक कि मेरी लाइफ आगे नहीं बढ़ रही है. बट ऑनेस्टली इट्स अ नॉर्मल थिंग, अ नॉर्मल थॉट प्रोसेस. आपको खुद को ब्लेम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें. वाई? बिकॉज ये नेचुरल है. आप एंजाइटी उसमें जाते हो, आपको लगता है कि आपकी चीज़ें नहीं हो रही है एंड यू आर गिविंग योर 100%. एंड when you are in these thought processes, self doubt will be. But honestly, what I want to share is that believe in yourself. Don't stop your thing just because you are not getting the things right now. It doesn't mean that you'll never get the things. Honestly, self doubt होगा, आपको क्वेश्चंस होंगे अपने मन में. यू विल फील लाइक कि लाइफ बहुत स्लो है, मैं सबसे बहुत पीछे हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. But remember this one thing: everyone has their own timing of getting their things into their life. And honest, if I'm going to share that from 2 years or from past 1.5 years, I am looking for a job. I've gave interviews online and offline both, and somehow it worked out and somehow it didn't. इट वॉज लाइक कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा, आई मीन इंटरव्यू में कुछ कमी हो रही है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू प्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ. और क्या हो रहा है, कभी डिस्टेंस का प्रॉब्लम है, कभी और कोई इशू आ रहा है, कभी एनवायरनमेंट का इशू है, कभी चीज़ों को लेकर इशू है, कभी सोर्सेज अवेलेबल नहीं हैं. एवरी थिंग वॉज लाइक कि बस सिर्फ बहाने ही आ रहे हैं चीज़ें ना होने के. Why things are not working out? Because if I'm not giving my 100%, or what is the reason? Everything was there in that point of time. But honestly, don't stop yourself with these kinds of things, with these thought processes, looking like कि कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा तो मैं कोशिश क्यों कर. नहीं, आपको नहीं पता होगा. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड कि टाइमिंग बहुत मैटर करती है. एंड ऑनेस्टली टाइमिंग बहुत मैटर करती है और हर चीज़ में मैटर करती है. बट इट डजेंट मीन कि आप उस टाइम को लेकर बैठ जाओगे, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट लाइक कि आपका टाइम कब है चीज़ों को लेने का. आपको नहीं पता ना. अगर आपको पता होता तो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें अभी तक मिल चुकी होती. वट आई बिलीव दिस, वट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट गिव योर 100. Just give your 200%, whatever the thing you are doing. If you're preparing for a professional exam, go for it. Don't sit with the perfect timing कि मैं perfect हो जाऊंगी तब करूंगी, जब perfect टाइम आएगा तब मैं ऐसा कुछ करूंगी. नहीं, just go for it. Or if you are looking for a job, give interviews, apply in multiple sources. You can apply, build your skill. When you are not getting the job offers, look for the opportunities you can grab. And honestly, give your 100% every single day, not because just you want those things, just with the thought process, with the mindset of like today will be my day. And if it doesn't, if it didn't turn out to be your day, it doesn't mean that you are a failure. Everything will work out. Honestly, I got a job, but and you will also get your things. If not today, then tomorrow will definitely there. What you have to do is get up, give your 100 200% every single day. What if today it turns out to be your day? What if tomorrow turns out to be your day? There will be struggling phases, there will be overthinking, there will be anxieties, there will be self doubts, there will be like giving up thoughts in your mind. But remember this thing from my side: everything takes time, and that will be the biggest test you are giving in your life. If this you have failed, everything, your efforts, your time, your energy, um, whatever the thing you are putting into your thing will be wasted. Don't stop, just do your things, follow your things, follow your heart, follow your mind, believe in yourself, believe in God, especially believe in timing, and do the stuff of your life, whatever the thing you are doing. Things will turn out. And I'm not saying because I got a job or things were so smooth. No, things were never smooth, और वो कभी होंगी भी नहीं. ऑनेस्टली एवरी वन हैज़ देयर ओन स्ट्रगलिंग फेजेस. आपको नहीं पता होता कि क्या चीज़ें हो रही. इफ़ द पर्सन इज शेयरिंग समथिंग गुड टू यू, इट डजेंट मीन दैट दे आर शोइंग ऑफ. एवरी पर्सन हैज़ देयर स्ट्रगलिंग फेज इन देयर लाइफ. एवरी पर्सन इज डीलिंग विथ समथिंग in their life. Every person has that overthinking mind, that anxieties, that self doubt phases. But what the person is not doing is not giving up. The day you will give up on yourself will be the day every single thing will be wasted. And if you really want to waste, and that will be day you will not able to face yourself. What will you answer yourself? That why I just gave up because nothing was working out. Just question yourself: is there any single thing which have worked out, even if it's a 1%? And what, have you celebrated those things? Have you felt like I'm just one step ahead of everyone, for from myself at least, not from everyone but from myself. Like I was in past 3 months I was there, but I'm now here. That is also a small win. You have to focus on the positive things. Try to shift your mindset. Everything will work out. Honestly, everything will work out. Just don't give up. Don't give up on yourself, especially. You will be the only person who has struggled a lot, who has faced a lot of challenges, who has, overcome a lot of problems in their life, and now everything is going to be worked out. It's just that if you gave up today, everything will be ruined. So from this video, what I want to say is that timing matters, but the most important thing matters is how you are going to find out your timing. It doesn't mean that timing doesn't mean that you have to just sit and wait for the time that okay, someday my day will work. No. What if you have done something today and it just worked out, and you were like, today was my day? So just think, अगर आपने चीज़ पे गिव अप कर दिया होता है एंड यू लाइक, आई कैन डू दिस थिंग बट आई डिडंट, आई गेव अप अर्लियर, व्हाट, आई मीन क्या बेनिफिट मिला आपको उस चीज़? कुछ भी नहीं. यू जस्ट एंड अप रिग्रेटिंग, you just end up questioning yourself, you just end up give yourself, and if things doesn't work out, not a single regret will be there, because you are aware of the thing that I have given my 100% with full honesty. Don't give up. Believe in yourself, have patience, and do your stuff. Just follow your path, what you are following up till now, and everything will be okay. So that's it for today's video. मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो में. Till then, bye bye, take care, and believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, love yourself, be kind yourself. If things are not working out, doesn't mean you are failure. You are giving yourself every single day. Go for it.